Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to put up a Amazon header ad on your WordPress site. This is for actual WordPress, you own your own domain type WordPress. So I'm saying if you want to add right here, you put them more places after you learn this, but this is where I'm putting it in this tutorial. All right, so first we need to go to add plugins because we got to go add that plugin. So we're just going to type in ads. And there's two of them that I really like. I like this one. This is the one I'm going to show you with. But this one's really cool too. And I actually have this one on my computer. Right now I'm not using it, but I do like it. So we're going to go. And the cool thing about this is it comes onto this bar right here. So boom. We're going to go to advanced ads. Why did I go there? We're going to go to ads. My bad. You can go to advanced ads and just hit that create. I don't know why this one's here. We're going to trash that. Do. Go to new ad. All right, so we're just gonna do a plain text ad, and we're gonna call this Amazon header. That's the name up top. Or plain text and code. So now we just need the code. So we're gonna go. I'm assuming that you've already signed up for Amazon Associates. Go to products. We're gonna go to banners. I think I already have banners loaded up. Yep. And then since I want a header one, this one's really small, so I don't really use this one. This is actually good to use. Like you could set up two and have one be desktop and one be computer, and that's actually probably what I'm going to wind up doing for mine. For right now, I'm just going to show you this. So iframe, and then we're going to go. Oh, I don't know why I'm on widgets. Oh yeah. If you want to set up a widget one, just come over to here. That's why I had this up. Yeah. You go to custom HTML, and then all those work as in HTML. Now, I wouldn't put one of those on there, but if you want to put one in a widgets area, like one of these up here, it works fairly well. So I'm gonna go over here and go to add new, paste. I'm gonna control V paste because it's being a pain in my butt. There we go. I don't know why that's being so slow. And then we're gonna hit next. And we're not gonna hide this one from anyone. This one's gonna be visible to everybody. So we're gonna hit next again. And then where you want to place it right here. So you want it before the content. So boom. Excuse me. And I'm going to adjust the placement options just because I like my ads centered. We're going to go to show all options. And I used iframe because last time when I tried to center it, it did not work very well. I don't know why this is going so slow. Let me click it one more time. Bum, 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 dun, 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 dun. Ah. Man, it's being slow. There we go. Center. Boom. And now we are completely done with that. We do not need that anymore. We do not need that anymore. Do not need that anymore. And we do not need that anymore. And then boom, we got it. Now we'll see what it looks like on a normal post. This is on my front page, so we'll go to right here. So I show you what it looks like on my post. Oh no. I have to fix that in a second. And that's why it's running slow. And boom. That's what it looks like on a post. That's what my that's what that one on the widget looks like. That's the one that I picked at least. You can pick whatever one you want. But yeah, it's really that simple. Uh, there is, like I said, an option if you only want to show them on certain areas. But if you just want to have a full site one, it really is that simple. And y'all have a good day.